The camera rumor mill just went from a gentle hum to a full-blown heavy metal concert. Today, we're diving headfirst into the swirling vortex of speculation surrounding the Nikon Z8 II, the mythical beast that's rumored to be not just an upgrade, but a potential redefinition of the hybrid camera landscape. Building on the already rock-solid foundation of the original Z8, Nikon is apparently cooking up something so potent, so feature-packed, it might just make your current camera weep softly in the corner. Aimed squarely at the pros and the seriously enthusiastic amateurs, you know who you are, the ones who alphabetize their lenses, the Z8 II is tipped to pack some serious heat, in a good way hopefully, with upgrades in processing power, thermal chillness, autofocus that might read your mind, and video performance that could make Hollywood blush. Could this be the new king of the hybrid hill? Let's get down and dirty with the leaked deets. Now, the Nikon Z8 II aims to take everything great about its predecessor and address these shortcomings while pushing innovation even further. At its core, the camera is expected to feature Nikon's next-gen Expeed 7 processor, which is rumored to deliver faster burst rates, smoother video processing, and improved noise reduction. This upgrade could allow for up to 20 frames per second in continuous shooting along with enhanced low-light performance. Video capabilities are also expected to reach new heights, with the potential for 8K recording at 60 frames per second and 4K at an incredible 240 FPS. Nikon might even include internal ProRes, HQ, and 12-bit NRAW recording, solidifying the Z8 II as a hybrid camera that rivals dedicated cinema rigs. One of the most exciting rumors involves the autofocus system. Using advanced AI-driven algorithms, the Z8 II is expected to offer unparalleled subject tracking for everything from fast-moving wildlife to dynamic sports scenes. For videographers, the addition of built-in ND filters could be a game-changer, eliminating the need for external accessories and simplifying workflows. And speaking of convenience, Nikon is reportedly addressing the overheating issue with revamped thermal management, potentially including modular cooling options for extended recording sessions. The Z8 II isn't just about internal upgrades. It's also rumored to feature an improved design. Lighter materials, possibly carbon fiber composites, could make the camera even more portable, while ergonomic enhancements, such as better joystick placement and additional customizable buttons, will improve the shooting experience. Connectivity is also expected to see a significant boost, with dual USB-C ports and Wi-Fi 7 support, allowing for lightning-fast file transfers and seamless tethering to cloud services. As for pricing, the Nikon Z8 II is rumored to launch at around $4,500, placing it competitively within the market. While it's slightly more expensive than Canon's R5 Mark II, it significantly undercuts Sony's Alpha 1 II, making it an attractive option for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Given its impressive rumored feature set, the Z8 II has the potential to deliver exceptional value for its price. The Nikon Z8 II is shaping up to be more than just a camera. It's a statement. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, thoughtful design, and performance-driven enhancements, it's poised to redefine the boundaries of what a mirrorless camera can achieve. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an aspiring creator, the Z8 II could be the tool that takes your work to new heights. So, what are you most excited about with the Nikon Z8 II? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.